Finding the surface area of a face or surface could be useful when designing from an existing part. Typically, for flat surfaces, the surface area can easily be calculated either with equations or by using SolidWorks. But what about curved surfaces? Let's find out how to find their surface area in this 2-minute tech tip. Taking a look at this spherical bottle, let's pretend that we were tasked with designing the label for this product. To do so, we need to first start by finding the surface area of the outside face of this bottle. We can navigate to the Evaluate tab of the Command Manager, which is where we will find the Measure tool. Simply by selecting on the face or surface we want the surface area of, it will calculate the surface area in the Measure dialog box. The resulting units can be changed if needed. This tool also works for non-analytical surfaces as well. In the previous example, the sphere was generated using analytical surfaces created from lines and arcs, whereas this surface example was created using a spline, interpolating the surface between sketched points. Using the Measure tool, the surface area is still able to be calculated. The Measure tool is a quick and effective way to calculate the surface area of a face or surface, as well as the perimeter and calculating the distance between entities. These values can be copied to the clipboard just by selecting them to make it easy to share these calculations with others or paste it into a separate document. If you like this video, please be sure to check out our SolidWorks Essentials for Part Design course or our SolidWorks Advanced Part Design course. Thanks for watching.